Okay, so the very first question now it goes. Okay. What two distinct worlds does the author see in the lives of the bangle makers? Okay. Sahukars and policemen, policemen and bureaucrats, middleman and poor people and influential people.
Option D.
Option? Yes, option D.
D.
Okay, 1 minute, just hold on. A call I'm getting. वो 8th का paper चल रहा है बेटा. Yes. Second question. Should I come to the second question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, it disappeared. 1 minute. Okay, what is the probable reason, means probability for children remaining barefoot? What may be the reason? Lack of money, physical illness, perpetual state of poverty, or a tradition to remain barefoot?
Option D. Option D.
No,
A option.
this is not the
Option
tradition.
C.
Beta, it was the perpetual state of poverty. Okay, that was the main reason why the children, they remain barefoot. Okay, they had given this excuse that it was their tradition to remain barefoot. But actually, what was the reality? That was the continuous state of poverty, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I wonder if she knows the scarcity of the bangles she helps make. The underlined phrase symbolizes auspiciousness in marriage. The job provides good profit, richness, or bangle making is a good job.
Option A.
Option A.
A1, auspiciousness in marriage. Good. For the children, the garbage is wrapped in. For the children, the garbage is wrapped in richness. It is wrapped in wonder. Okay, only two options are there.
Wonder.
Option B.
It is wonder. Okay. Acha, the name of the writer you know very well.
Anish Chang.
The ability to dream and the initiatives have been killed by years of. Okay, ability to dream and initiatives have been killed by years of schooling, money making, mind numbing toil, or none of the above.
Option C.
Mind numbing toil, yes, good. Simapuri, a place on the periphery of Delhi, yet miles away from it, metaphorically. What is the tone of the writer? What is the tone of the writer? Okay. Sad, happy, angry, or mocking? What is the tone of the writer?
Ma'am, please repeat question.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Simapuri, a place on the periphery of Delhi, yet miles away from it. What is the tone of the writer? Simapuri, a place on the periphery, you got it, on the boundaries of Delhi, but miles away from it. Right? So, what is the tone of the writer? Sad, happy, angry, or mocking?
Mocking.
Mocking. It is, yes, it is Karam, his destiny, says Mukesh's grandma, who has watched her own husband go blind with the dust from polishing the glass of bangles. What character trait of the grandma is seen here? Superstitious, religious, okay, broad minded, or narrow minded?
Option
Religious.
D.
Option D. Or superstitious?
Yes, ma'am. Superstitious.
What do the parents expect from the children to bring from the garbage dumps? Leftover food, silver coins, money, or items valuable for them?
Items valuable for them.
Yes, है ना, जिनको बेच के वो कुछ अर्न कर सकें बेटा. The steel canister seems heavier than the plastic bag he would carry so lightly over his shoulders. Right? Now tell me,
Yes.
who carries the steel canister?
Sahib Alam.
Yes, ma'am.
Sahib
Sahib
Alam.
Alam.
Okay. Why is he carrying the steel canister instead of the plastic bag?
Because he was employed in tea store.
Because, yes, because he had started working at a tea stall. How much money is he paid?
800 money and all his meals.
Yes, 800 rupees and all his meals.
Meals.
Very good. Now, next question. Okay. Now, the next one is, why do you do this? This question was being put up by the bangle maker, by Sahib's mother, by Mukesh, or by the writer?
D option.
By the
By the
writer.
Okay. Sahib's profession was that of a cook, a driver, a rag picker, or a bangle maker?
Option
Rag
C.
picker. A rag picker.
Okay, a rag picker. Good. Sahib's home before Delhi was in Bengal, Orissa, Dhaka, or Bihar?
Dhaka.
C.
Dhaka.
Dhaka. Yes. Why did Sahib and his family move to Delhi? The village was flooded. There were landslides because storms had swept away the fields and homes, or there was a deadly epidemic in the village.
Option
C.
C.
C1, okay, storms had swept away the fields and homes. The author advised Sahib to go to college, playground, club, or school.
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 Is your school ready? Who asked this question?
Sahib.
Sahib.
If I don't give you the option, will you be able to answer, na beta?
Yes, ma'am.
The man from Udupi was the son of a
Priest.
priest. Very good. Do you remember when they say that it is a tradition to remain barefoot? Okay. So Anis Jung, she knew the reason very well. It was just an excuse to remain away from the perpetual state of poverty. And then she remembers she had met a man who was from Udupi and his father was a priest there. And when he was a small child, he was not able to own a pair of footwear. He used to go to the school barefoot, and whenever he passed, okay, in front of the temple, he used to stop there and pray to goddess to grant him a pair of shoes. Finally, after 30 years, when Anis Jangshi visited there, she went to the same temple, though the temple, it became somewhat broken or isolated it was, but at the backside, Anis Jang sees that a new priest was living there and whose lifestyle had changed within so many years, okay? And she also saw that a young boy, means his child, he came from a school, he was wearing a school dress, maybe studying in a public school. White and red plastic chairs were lying there, a folding bed was there, and the child was wearing shoes and socks. Okay, so it gives a contrast between the life of the priest, between the life of that child, of the priest who led his life 30 years back. Okay, so Anis Jung, on seeing this child, thinks that within so many years, the economic condition of these priests have improved such a lot, but the rag pickers, they still remain the same. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the squatters in Simapuri arrived as refugees from Bangladesh in
1971.
1971. Very good. The rag pickers have no identity, but they have
Food
passports.
for survival.
No, they
Food
have, I'm
for
giving you the option, passports, license, ration cards, or permits.
ration cards. C
Ration
option.
Ration
cards.
cards.
Okay. For the rag pickers, food is more important than
Their identity.
Identity.
identity. Very good. According to the author, rag picking has become over the years a profession, a fine art, a tradition, or a culture.
A fine art.
A fine art. Good. Garbage to the rag pickers is money, daily bread, a roof over their heads, or a gold or silver.
Option B.
Daily
Yes,
bread
very
or
good,
roof
Sakshi.
over it.
Daily bread, a roof over their heads. Okay. One day, Sahib was seen by the author watching some young men playing. What were the young men playing?
Tennis.
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 Good. Sahib did not like to work in the tea stall because he was getting
He
only.
was no more owner of his own.
Yes, he was no longer his own master. Mukesh belonged to a family of farmers, rag pickers, motor mechanics, or bangle makers.
Bangle maker.
Bangle
Bangle
maker.
maker.
What did Mukesh want to become on growing up?
Mechanic.
Motor mechanic.
Mechanic.
A motor mechanic. Bangle industry flourishes in the town of
Firozabad.
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 Very good. The families of the bangle makers live in comfortable
Firozabad.
environment, big houses, very small hutments or factories.
C
Factories.
option.
Small
Yes,
Option
hutments.
C.
If laws were to be enforced, it would bring about change and relief in the lives of about. Okay. Do you remember if the laws were enforced, okay, it is going to bring change in the lives of whom? 10,000 children, 20,000 children, 100 children, 1,000 children.
20,000.
20,000.
Yeah. The time when Anis Jung she wrote the chapter, उस समय उन्होंने statistics दिए थे और कहा था कि nearly 20,000 children they work in the bangle making factories. Okay, and if the laws are enforced, then surely they would be taken out from this dirty environment, right? And before they become adult, they lose their what?
eyesight.
Eyesight. Why do they lose their eyesight before they become adults? Many of them, many of the
Because
bangle.
while making the glass bangles, there was dust particles and
Yes.
glass
Yes,
particles.
when they make the bangles, so you know the dust particles, minute dust particles of glass. Okay, those dust particles enter their eyes and they become blind. Many of them before they become adult. Okay, many of them they lose their eyesight. Mukesh's house is covered with stones, bricks, tiles, or thatch.
Thresh.
Thatch, okay? घास फूस थी ना उससे
Yes,
covered
ma'am.
था. The frail woman in Mukesh's house is his mother, wife, niece, or elder brother's wife.
D
Elder
option.
brother's
Elders
wife.
Yes,
brother.
right,
Elders brother wife.
right. What was the profession of Mukesh's father? before he became a bangle maker? Tailor, carpenter, plumber,
Taylor.
or mason?
Taylor.
Taylor.
He was a tailor. Yes. Can a God-given lineage ever be broken? Who spoke these words? Mukesh's
Mukesh mother.
grandmother.
Mukesh
Mukesh,
grandmother.
Grandmother, okay. Sunny, gold, paddy, green, royal blue, pink, purple, every color born out of 7 colors of the rainbow. What is this a reference to?
Bangles.
Bangles. Very good, Sakshi. Okay. Which of the objects below best serves as a symbol of an Indian woman's suhag? Okay. Bindi, sindoor, bangles, Hina dyed hands. Bangles.
Bangles.
She has not enjoyed a full meal in her entire lifetime. Do you remember? An elderly woman, who was sitting there. I told you the answer. Okay, who was sitting next to Sabita. उसने कहा था ना एक वक्त शेर भर खाना भी नहीं खाया. Okay, so she did not enjoy a full meal in her entire lifetime. लेकिन उसके हस्बैंड ने क्या कहा कि I have only done one thing, that I have built a house to live in. Isn't it?
Yes,
Remember
ma'am.
or not?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
One wonders if he has achieved what many have failed. The Manish Jung, even she surprised he has achieved in which many means lakhs of people they fail to achieve in their lifetime. They are not able to build their own houses. Generations pass and they keep on living in the rented house. But this poor man, this old man, he was successful in making a house, though it may be kacha pakka house, though it may be a one room house, but still he was successful in making a house for his family to live in. Okay, who will be hauled up by the police if they try to get organized better? Remember?
The bangle makers.
Bangle maker.
Okay, the bangle makers. Do you remember Anis Young? She sees a group of young men. They were standing there and she advised them to organize themselves into a cooperative. You remember or not in the last?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what do they answer? Ki suppose even if we get organized, we will be the ones who will be hauled up, okay, by the police, would be beaten up for doing something illegal. उन्होंने जवाब दिया था ना कि क्या होगा, ऑर्गेनाइज भी हो जाएंगे तो पुलिस हमें ही पकड़ेगी, हमें ही मारेगी पुलिस, है ना. और ये साबित करने की कोशिश करेगी दो दैट वर्क वाज लीगल, लेकिन गरीब थे इस वजह से पुलिस जो है ये प्रूव करेगी कि वी हैड बीन डूइंग समथिंग इलीगल, राइट. तो वो कहते हैं देयर इज नो यूज ऑफ getting into a cooperatives. What bothers the author most about the bangle makers? The behavior of the factory owners or the stigma of poverty and caste?
Stigma of poverty and
Yes. The sahukars, the middlemen, the policemen, the keepers of the law, the bureaucrats, and the politicians. Together, these people, they work for the benefit of these bangle makers, or they have imposed the baggage on the child that he cannot put down.
They impose the baggage on the child
Yeah,
that they
so much
can
of
be
baggage
put
has
down.
been imposed. Music wants to learn, sorry, Mukesh wants to learn to become a motor mechanic by what? By finding a tutor, by going to a school, or going to a garage to learn?
Going to
Option
garage to
C.
learn.
To a garage to learn.
Okay, tell me finally, why doesn't he dream of flying the planes,
Because there were
Yes. Few planes fly over Firozabad and reaching up to that, it was not possible for Mukesh. So he is contented to dream to become a motor mechanic that is within his reach. Got it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Enough for today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you. God bless you all, children.
Thank you, ma'am.